3 things you should understand before a herpes disclosure. Let's get into it. Understanding. If you have pen and paper, go get it out. This is going to be a journal prompt. I need for you to go back to the time when you thought you were STI free. If you would have sat with someone you were interested in and they disclosed to you, how would you react? If you were given the opportunity to choose whether or not you wanted to have adult therapy with someone who has this virus, would you have made the informed decision to move forward with the relationship, ghosted them, take time to think about it, or friend zone him or her or them? Be 100% honest with yourself. You do not have to prove anything to me. As I personally reflect, I have come to the conclusion that it's all of the above for me. In my past, I think there were 2 people I would have moved forward with. A few people I would have ghosted. Some I would have friend zoned. And some I would have to think long and hard about it. I didn't always think this way. I had to come to this understanding. I used to go into disclosing as a victim. I would tell the same old, my baby daddy gave me herpes story that will follow with a, you don't want me, I have herpes. I was just sad and it showed. I no longer blame my child's father for my herpes. I don't blame anybody for my herpes. And I'm no longer telling people that they're not going to want me because I have herpes. I had always expected the worst and wanted the best outcome when it came to my disclosure. Through my self-love journey, I have found a greater purpose and I have found my self-worth. Now let's get into it. 3 things you should probably understand before moving forward into disclosing your herpes status. Number 1, understand that the person you are disclosing to has the right to feel however they want to feel. With self-love, validation should be the least of your worries. Number 2, understand that this person may want to move forward with you. They may ghost you. They may need time to think about it. They may friend zone you. This is how we break the stigma. By giving people a choice so many of us within the positive community never had. Even if there is a rejection, feel good about giving people the opportunity you never got. That is worth celebrating. All disclosures are positive disclosures, no matter what the outcome is. Number 3, understand that in the moment after disclosing, the person might need a few seconds or minutes to process the information. Do not assume that they don't know nothing about your status and throw a bunch of facts at them. It gives off the energy that you have something to hide. And now you're dressing up your diagnosis with facts. Make your acceptance enough so that you're not seeking that acceptance from someone else in order to fill a void, in order to feel okay with your virus. Feel okay with your virus before moving forward in a relationship or even moving forward into dating, period. Let go of your fear. When we focus on the fear of the reaction, we become distracted. Too distracted to observe their reaction. Are they shocked, taken back, grossed out, confused, conflicted? Remember, your energy is going to introduce you before you have a chance to speak. Those are just 3